because the project that Nick just referenced, the one that we already, by the way, invested in their pre-sale, okay, the project's called KVANTS. They're launching in a few weeks. We already invested, a lot of our DAO members already invested. They are using the same marketing, basically service, marketing company and same market maker as that other project that did the 1000X. So it's a very different project. I'm not saying it's going to be the same outcome, but certainly bodes well. Certainly, definitely, checks another box in my mind. So what we're looking to do is provide new SURF DAO members, those who maybe didn't get involved in the pre-sale one for Quants, to get involved in this upcoming one. So we're just waiting on them to send us a bit more information, token economics, a little blurb for you guys. But just another reason, get the SURF DAO, man. It's less than $2,000 to get into this DAO. I mean, the benefits are just tremendous relative to the cost.
Yeah, I mean, you got to do it rapidly if you want
in another bag.
Yeah, if you want to do it rapidly, if you want to get involved, guys, because the TGE, here's the other thing, confirmed TGE on September 25th, I guess unless there's a massive Black Swan event in the markets, but 25th, so you're only got a couple days to kind of get in the SURF DAO, get invested as we send out these forms. Looking to launch both on Solana, Radium LP, along with MEXC listing, and we'll have buybacks with revenue that's generated from the project. And again, going to be using a lot of the same market makers, marketing firms, and stuff as the other project that had a massive success. The timing could be good on this. We do know like Hyperliquid and those kind of trading platforms are doing very well, and Quants is an AI-powered asset management platform, so not exactly the same, but kind of in sector adjacent there. So things, aren't guaranteed here. Hyperliquid, not exactly the same. Card Collect, not exactly the same, but they're doing a lot of overlap, a lot of the same timing, same network, and could do pretty well. We'll see what happens here. So get in the SURF DAO, buy your 200,000 SURF, and then you can evaluate it for yourself.
Well, and hey, shout out to Quants. We work with these guys for over a year. Founder is an absolute hustler. They've had to pivot more than once to even keep this project alive. They have all the projects that we worked with since the last bull market. 80% of them never launched, something like that. So this is one of the few that have made it through to the end. So shout out to those guys for sticking with it and getting to TGE. The founder, I've actually met him in person a few times. Super sharp dude, very well put together, knows what he's doing. I have all faith in him and the team that now that they're going to actually get launched. Even if the TGE is not a smashing success, like these guys are going to be out there hustling to make this work. So, proud to see them make it to the start line here. Well, the finish line that's now the new start line.
Right.
Yeah, I think Quants can do very well, and let's see if it does, or if we start to see other pre-sales do well. I mean, pre-sales were kind of our bread and butter in the last cycle. We know a lot of projects. People know that we have a community and we invest in things. We help with marketing, so we have no shortage of pre-sale opportunities that come to us. But it's sort of, the market dictates whether we're willing to invest in something. Because when it's bearish, pre-sales do terribly. But when it's bullish, they can do extremely well, and that's where you can do 10, 100 times or whatever. So, hopefully this all works out for Quants investors. I am invested. Crypto Paris, the company, is invested. We have tokens as well. So
we need to get Crypto Paradise added here on the partner list for sure with the backlink to our website. We need to remember to reach out to
absolutely.
For that.
Absolutely, yeah. No, and by the way, this product is very aligned with sort of our overall thesis on what people in crypto care about. They care about making money. Well, here's a product that allows you to make money in your sleep because it's AI-based trading on your behalf. Think of the Frontier Fund, but using AI. So, generating 22% returns annually or something like that on some of their low risk vaults, as they call it. It's all decentralized, smart contract based. I think they have a centralized version, but then they have the decentralized version as well. So, really a good product. Low market cap to start, low FTVs. Vesting isn't terribly long. I think like 7 months or something like that. So token economics look pretty favorable. But yeah, we're looking to offer a last-minute pre-sale opportunity to the SURF DAO members who may want to get in. No more 9 to 5, or a way to make